Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit mobile menu on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, you might want to click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can simply continue with Google, you can continue with email, or you might want to click on the More options so that you can continue with your Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, editing the mobile menu on Squarespace is crucial for a lot of reasons, because all of which contribute to optimizing the user experience and ensuring that visitors can easily navigate your website or mobile devices. Now, for you to be able to edit the mobile menu, once you are here, click on the upper right corner and click on the account dashboard. Now, from here, all you're gonna do is need to access the site editor. Now, you need to choose the website you wanted to edit the mobile menu, or you can basically, if you are creating something from scratch, it's also okay. Now, say for example, if this is the website that we are going to edit, let's click on it. And once we do that, we will be directed to a new window wherein we can edit the whole section. Now, from here, as you can see, we are in the desktop view. That means all the things that you are going to edit here would reflect in the web version or your computer. Now, for you to be able to edit the mobile menu, just hover to the other side of it where it says mobile view. Now, from here, we can tweak the settings just by clicking on the edit option here in the left side corner. Now, the first thing we need to do is to click on the edit site header. It's a very straightforward. Click on, you can view menu, but of course we are going to edit. Now click on the logo right here. Right? Click on it. You can basically choose a color. Right? You can put a border behind it. You can choose a color. Say for example, that's going to be orange. As you can see, it's been reflected. You can also choose the other colors, and from there it's going to be okay. Now after that, the next thing we could do is from here we can add another section. The section right here can be formatted to a different option. Now we can simply put something like right, something like that one. That's how you edit mobile menu here. And once you're happy with that, you just need to move on. You can move it down, right? And you can move it up, right? The text here, right? There's a lot of ways for you to edit your mobile menu, but generally that's how you do it. If you wanted to put something here, you can also copy this one, right? Now you can also add another section here. So if you wanted to add a new menu right here, you can also add it. You can choose from the templates that you can add. Say maybe let's click this one. And from here, it's all customizable. You can change the image right here. Click on the edit, and as you can see, you can click on the replace edit. Now you have two options. You can upload directly from the file here, or you can upload for mobile, right? Of course, we're going to be uploading for mobile. Now once we have loaded the file, obviously it's loading. Just wait for a minute, and there you have it. It's been uploaded. You can edit some design. You can fill, fit right here. You can have an image effect. You can basically this is all customizable. Color is going to be orange. So basically, that's how you edit mobile menu on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.